check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
I'm moving towards Zirakpur and returning back. I went to the web designing plant which was shut down. I had already informed her that I will visit tomorrow. I had designed some promotional stickers, but the printers are not ready to provide timely services, due to which I thought that it is better to accompany her and try to convince any new printing press that if JPG files are provided by me, it is not difficult to convert it into CDR and get that printed, provided I am giving them all the necessary raw files in RGB, JPG or any format, including WPS also, which can be downloaded from the web pages. They used to utilize each and every content provided by me only, and then applaud own achievements even after making immense grammatical mistakes, due to which all of my web designing clients suffer a lot, because it is a remote area. People are not so much skilled with good vocabulary and don't even know the basic spellings like floating, acupressure, motors or motor. They can't differentiate between singular and plural. They can't differentiate between plurals and singular, or masculine and feminine also, due to which I have that much humanity. Most of the time I used to help them a lot during these times. Some of the web designing clients had wrongly applied through sale tax also. Even the visitors or surveillance team from tax certification providing authentication make grammatical mistakes on simple words like motor and motors. They can't assume that if anyone will name his company as motor, it means that he or she is engaged in repair or sale of submersible pumps or any lathe and capstan motor only. vehicular companies always used to name motors only. No one wants to spoil his or her company grammatically and spread a mass hysteria of fake spellings. But these Indians are very arrogant and self-sustained only. They don't regard my efforts as granted. They used to discourage me, and most of them earn magnificently during salary or rent bill or electricity bill week only through WhatsApp mass hysteria. They don't even think that WhatsApp is just a messenger services, while Google or Microsoft, Alta Vista, Mama.com, other search engine optimizing services are meant for educational upliftment and trade in real sense only. I will try to search some plants here. My Christmas tree has been dried. I was searching it, but right now I can't carry it on my bicycle. Whenever I will visit any nursery on my car, then only it is possible. But right now I can inquire about prices. All of these roads are filled with cult baba mass hysteria, and obviously, and when all of these Indians start spreading the mass hysteria through longer 9 minus 2 is equal to 7 Guru and the pungent smelling flower logo in the existing Kalkaji Chhatarpur temples, a kind of a temporary economic movement of black money is seen as a kind of feel good factor only. They are not sparing the environmental causes also. Opposite RJ flower shop there is a company named Fiat Pal Nursery. Similarly, to discourage Ma Vaishno Devi, there are several other nurseries also. So in each and every city, replanning of these kind of mass hysterias are going on. On one side of the road you will find any religious place, then after riding 20 or 80 meters you will find another religious place of different community on the other side. That is Goga Medi temple. You will find Kali Mata temple also in some of the. But I am still amused and surprised, shocked to find that how can they compete with Google, YouTube, other search engines just by WhatsApp groups and mass hysteria of travel companies who used to provide different kind of leisure tours for these kind of cults and distribute free food for some time. After all, there is a saturation of vicious cycle also. That is Red Roses Nursery and Plantation. So even if I will visit this nursery, then also I can say in the end that I have to bring my car or other vehicle to carry the plants and saplings comfortably. At the most they can discourage at various waypoints by purchasing or selling some product through mass hysteria of numerology through WhatsApp. Otherwise, how can you imagine these kind of technologies of messenger services will overpass the existing established system of searches and education. That is the badminton academy which I was pointing towards the person who was trying to inquire about the latest development in the field of clubs and leisure buildings developed by Congress only. At a place where children were consuming a lot of alcohols opposite Mansa Devi temple. Even these restaurants used to sell paneer at 2 for 40 rupees per plate. Can you imagine the condition of others? They have all rights to establish a different kind of kiosk at any corner and spread these kind of garbage. You are already aware because of farmers' protest and hunger strike as a Gandoli or Gangoli border. These kind of people are spreading more garbage so that those farmers can be discouraged and humiliated in international communities. That is the Goga Medi temple which I was talking about, which also contains the idols of Kali Mata. You will find tractor companies and other kind of private companies also there. They are very skilled in studying the psychology of visitors, due to which a sequential parallelism is established, and outsiders used to halt at these kind of places, and they managed to establish temporary business. You can see free food is not available here, which is also a discouragement. So any wrongly turned tourist can be manipulated. But they have exploited all possible measures to transform this low-lying area into tourist place. In fact, that process is resulting in more crowd and traffic jams only. If purity is not existing, how can they promote that in such manner? For few years they can try to deceive tourists from Delhi and other neighboring cities like Gurgaon, Noida. But for how long they can deceive such educated people? Even some of them have mentioned that people who are suffering because of wives, torture and harassment are welcome at this hospital. A temporary business of Lodi festival has been successfully operating from several decades. But 60% of people are engaged in printing flex banners and other kind of fake Ayurveda drugs, including some inferior quality automobile parts, developing tiled pavement as if any established or popular tourist place is just locating around this place and it is a good opportunity to stop here and accept some snacks. Otherwise also you were stuck in traffic jam at Mathura Road. Whenever you want to visit Haldiram, why not spend some time at these kind of Desi Ghee sweets outlet and then continue the journey towards Manali, Rohtang Pass, Spiti. Properties prices can also be manipulated through these kind of pavements, and when a person will visit on foot or two-wheeler, then only the real condition of the city will be shown and proven to him or her. Otherwise these kind of manipulators will deceive through any fake feel good factors per square yard and per square feet open area. So I have to take a U-turn for joining the main Ambala Solan highway. This road will lead towards the cremation ground, and most of the commuters follow the wrong side in such manner to promote latest construction of bridges, but these were constructed in 2012 itself. More and more discouragement effects can be seen as a mutual collaboration with each other for temporary gains. But in fact, you should remember that any business can't succeed if you continue to exploit others on basis of your own expenses only. You will find Chinese fast food kiosk here. The restaurant existing at this place might have been shut down because they were not taking consideration of cleanliness by installing any bee killer gauges. Architectural masterpiece constructed in the form of fort has been kept vacant from 20 years. Some of them have developed coffee shops at these kind of premises to promote the fast life of Tri-City. But I have never seen anyone halting at this place for quick cup of coffee. They have also trying to create a mass hysteria that 2 of a coin is not accepted here. We believe in bigamy and other kind of cult activities. Do whatever you like, just to discourage Dalits at any cost. They have nothing to do. They have kept names of cities, places in such form that if any person from Delhi in any coincident manner reach here, they will be either discouraged or looted in such a manner that they will pledge that our generations will never visit here, because they should try any foreign visa instead of accepting a place where people used to return even after accepting H1B1 visa from United States, and establish here a great empire, parallelism with cults who managed to reach Delhi and establish a fake superstitious empire. As usual, you will find my house perpendicular to this bridge, but I have to take a longer route because it is easy Please subscribe to my channel and share those videos which are concerned with web designing clients. The time has come when I have to decide whether all of them were really engaged in social causes and helping needy, or just spending their lives and exploiting me for profit generation only. Till you will share your broadcast, you will not be able to really trace their activities, because the contacts who are my subscribers will always be truthful towards each other. But my decisions will also be related to that, because I don't have any other option, since YouTube is the prime priority for me to establish my own business also. And during times of desperation and need, I had to rely on these kind of videos also, when I was not able to properly get organic results for my web designing clients. There is another bridge from where you will find my house existing at perpendicular. I will cross that and end my broadcast there. So in spite of getting confused and taking a down route, as usual I will
Take the
cross
next
this
right
bridge
to
also.
National Highway.
I have already compared the
Continue on National Highway
calories
5 for 1
spent
kilometer.
and differentiated when I use both kinds of route. As usual, there is another bridge from where you will find my house. I have reached ICL cricket stadium. Sometimes it happens when one is feeling tired, the number of bridges are forgotten. But I have again decided not to take an exit route from here and continue climbing another bridge. That was an existing private hotel premises and other sports complexes.
Turn
It is
left
an
onto
another
Ram
mass
Mandir Road.
hysteria entry point. So from this bridge, one can see my house about 840 meters from here. That building is known as Welcome Group Bella Vista. Which is at line of sight. But our D-Link Wi-Fi routers are more powerful than
Continue for 800
all
meters.
of those who try to spread mass hysteria during past.
Turn left.
So I will turn left from here. Many car covers companies are existing here. Few Gurukul Kangadi schools are also at this place. Just because of few restaurants
Take the
were
next
submerged
left.
here because of bridge construction. Many mass hysteria opportunities were applauding that as a great loss, but in reality those were very richer owners who had many properties around this place.